either gonna post this or not post this and just keep it for my own memories, because I don't know how good this is gonna go.
Between us, there's something between us, something short and sweet.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. I'm excited because I'm going to try something new. So today, as you can tell, my hair right now is in singles. Forehead on 100. I did this yesterday. It took me 10 hours. My head looks so big, so I decided that I'm going to try some faux locks on myself for the first time. Do it myself as well. I got the idea because I was staring at myself in the mirror. I'm like, damn, your head looks so big. It looks so big. How are you gonna go outside like that? And then I'm like, wait, isn't this the first step of doing like faux locks? So I'm like, ding, ding, ding. I'm so good at trying new things. Let me try this for the first time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm either gonna post this or not post this and just keep it for my own memories, because I don't know how good this is gonna go. I'm super nervous, but you guys always know whenever I try something new, I put my all into it, and yeah. So hopefully this goes good. Bye. Hold on. Before we get into the video, I need you guys to do something very important. What I want you to do right now is click that subscribe button. Please, I need more subscribers. I'll do a subscriber video, you know? How about this? The 200th subscriber, I'll make whatever video you want that doesn't have anything to do with nudity or drugs or anything illegal. Maybe. But if I do or if I don't, subscribe anyways, okay? Okay, bye. This is the hair I use for this look. I just bought about 6 packs of the Marley hair, and I bought 1 pack of 3 bundles of the curly crochet hair. I had a hard time picking out which hair I was going to use. I never had to shop for hair before that wasn't going to be put on a wig or installed. Yeah, so that was an experience. Now I'm just parting away my hair to the single I want to use. Please do not brush this hair. Whatever you do, don't brush it. This was a trial and error type of test run. So what you want to do, what I'm trying to figure out, is put the crochet tool through the hair, and you want to hold it in a way that you could grab the hair on the hook. I know that might sound very weird if you haven't tried this before, but trust me, I'm going to show you guys more examples of this throughout the video, so don't worry if you didn't quite see that. You can see that I was getting super frustrated. My face, oh my god, my face was so mad. And you want to do the same thing for the curly hair. Again, guys, this was my first attempt ever trying this log. I was super frustrated. I was overwhelmed. I was hot. I was watching this weird white movie on Hulu, and I knew that was a bad idea because I'm trying to pay attention to this dumbass movie while trying to figure out this lock, and it was just a bad idea. So when you get to the bottom, you want to stop at the point you want to stop at, and then go back up and overlap the hair you just wrapped. And again, I'm going to show you guys this over and over, so don't worry if you're not quite getting it right now. And after you have it all wrapped up, you just want to light it with a lighter just to seal it, and there you go, you have your faux lock. And this is my face after realizing I have to do like 100 more. So I had to take a break, and I did half of my head off camera, and then I did the other fourth off camera as well. And I didn't want to leave you guys off the way I did, so I decided to show you guys the last fourth of my hair. The first left side, I already heated it up in boiling hot water, and I put the jewels in. That's why the right side looks stiff, because it is.
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no what?
Stiff what?
Well,
No.
yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake bitch.
What?
So I'm going to show you guys this one strand in regular motion, so you guys could see the time process of it and step by step in detail. As you can see, I'm hooking the hair. I have wrapped the hair in between my index finger and my middle finger so I could grip it better. So when I use the crochet tool, I grab the entire bunch of hair, if that makes sense. Now I'm getting my curly crochet hair. Instead of trying to split it as one, I cut it down the middle, and then I just stretch it out so the curls can naturally come apart without any friction and tangles. As you can see, the hair is naturally coming apart. There's no stress, no tension. Remember to just take your time and be patient. You want about 1/4 of that piece of hair. And again, we're crocheting it into that single braid. This piece is what's going to be left out on the bottom. If you're skilled, you could also leave pieces of this outside of the lock for a more emphasis on the goddess look, but I wasn't ready for all that. And now I'm just wrapping the hair. I make sure I wrap all the way at the top about 2 to 3 times, and then I start working my way down. You want to really focus on the way you hold the hair. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm kind of holding it in a way that flattens out the hair. That way you cover more of the surface of the lock. And then you just keep on working your way down. Make sure to slightly overlap from the last cover up. That way the lock will hold better. And now you just want to work your way all the way to the bottom and continue that same movement over and over. Keeping the hair flat is key. Staying patient is another key. This process is about a door with 100 locks, and you need all of them keys. So and when you get to the bottom, again, you just want to go back up, overlap the hair, and then get your lighter and just burn the ends of it. So I'm going to show you this about 5 more times. I'm just going to keep it in a sped up motion. After you crochet the hair in, you want to grab all the hair along with your natural braid, and you want to bunch it up in one hand. That way it doesn't get tangled with the marley hair you're using to wrap around to create that lock. So this part is optional. I have really long hair, so I found myself having to add more of the marley hair to cover the entire single braid. So what I did was I grabbed an extra piece of the marley hair, about half the size of what I would at the beginning of the lock. Then I sort of wrap it with the remaining hair, and then, you know what, it's really hard to explain. But again, this is optional, so don't worry. You're gonna see me do it again. Hopefully you can see it clearer.
You'll want to hear. Mr. Bronca's Smoke Bucket is full of beer.
Judy! My middle name's Anthony. That's easy to rhyme with. I haven't seen chemistry like that since we got rid of chemistry. Isn't she? I'm the AV guy. She lays an egg on the PA every day and it makes us all look bad. Here's what I'm thinking instead. Morning announcement.
I'm so motherfucking tired. Bella, I'm so motherfucking tired. Bella, you wanna tell them something? Tell them they need to subscribe and comment on the video if they like it. Right?